Hi guys, so excited because I got today my box from yesstyle and I'm really excited. I can't wait to open it and try everything that I ordered. I made my order on the 4th of August and today is like 20, so it took like 2 weeks until it arrived. Nice. So the box is so nice and organized, full of stuff. So let's start. So excited, it's pretty. Well, this first product is Roselle TI Gel Patch. It looks like this. It has some Chinese written on it, and wait, I can see the English, but it has a sticker on it. So it says that this is innovative water soluble hydrogel patch, help to decrease fine wrinkles and moisturize skin with exceptional revitalizing formula. Specially developed combination flower extract and hyaluronic acid, which is sound very nice. It has 30 pairs, like 60 parts. Now let's see how it is in the end. The package is so cool and cute. It's like kind of fancy with all the flowers here. Very nice. Now let's see the inside. Has this thing and whoa, wow, look at this. It smells like fine, like aloe vera with some flower. Like I wouldn't say that it has some special smell. It smells fine. Now I will need to remove my makeup first, but I just want to show you. It's like, so it's like transparent and it has some red color, and that's it. I will be trying this in another video after I remove my makeup. Now let's see the other products. Well, the next one is gonna be very quick because it is kind of the same. I just got a different different extras. I think it's also eye gel patch. Wait, let's see the difference. So this is Roselle tea eye gel, and this is a green tea eye gel patch, and this one also include it is Jejun green tea. I have no idea what is it. It is also written in Chinese, so I can really see what it says. Now these two products, which are kind of the same, I bought them after I was looking for, so I got them after I was looking for eye gel patch. The one before that I had, I got it from Shane. They were like aloe vera eye gel patch. They were very good, but I wanted to try a different product to see another effect. So these two are the same. I'm gonna try this later. I just have to say that the one that I got from Shane was very nice. Like, it made my puffiness disappear, and it was very nice. If you want to know exactly what is this product, you can see I will link my video to this video so you can see it on the description. So the next product will be this one, which is, I have no idea what is it exactly. I can guess only because it's all written in Chinese and there's no English at all, which makes me a little bit suspicious about it. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna try it. But by the way, I didn't mention all the products that I got. I checked the review before that, and they have like many good positive reviews. So this product also, which has nothing in English mentioned on it, it also has very nice reviews. So I don't know. I think I will check more about it. I will research it, and then we'll try it. Also, I got my reset, and I got here another thing. I think this is maybe a surprise or something. Abib. Abib. And so I guess this is the gift. I guess this is the gift that you got when you make any order on yesstyle. You got like some things to try. So I got here Red Leaf Essence Calming Pump, which is like kind of moisturizer. So I got two of it, and I got this thing which is Spot Pad Calming Touch. Oh, so I think this is also for the eyes. So now I have many stuff for my puffiness, which is nice. We're gonna try this also. I got only one of this, which include two pads. And the last thing that we got in the present is Calming Toner Skin Booster. It's very small, but it's nice. Looks nice. Now, we opened 4 products till now. If you want to see the other products that I got here, and you should, because I have a very nice surprise. So you better come to part 2. See you there. Hi guys, and welcome back to part. I'll continue with something that is called Yucha Niacin Some by Me. This is the name of the product. This is the name of the brand, Some by Me. And it says the positive changes and miracles to your skin, new clinical solution. So I guess this is one of, this is brightening all-in-one cleanser. One thing that I hate is when the package is like this, and well, it's okay. So it comes without any paper or instruction with it. It's also written in Chinese and has some explanation also how to use in English. So it says, gently lather a small amount in moistened hands to create a lather and apply to dampened face. Massage gently onto skin and rinse with lukewarm. It's made in Korea. It says brightening 40, moisturizing 30, and low pH 30. Weekly acidic gel cleanser containing niacinamide and yuja extract. This hypoallergenic all-in-one cleanser brightens skin tone and thoroughly removes impurities, even makeup. So it's supposed to, I guess, remove my makeup. So maybe we're gonna try it after I show you the next amazing 3 products that I really was waiting for, and I really hope that they're worth it. So it is, wow, I got so much products for the eyes. Like after all of these treatments, my eyes must be like perfect, like no puffiness, no black, no darkness, nothing. So we will see. And this is what I got: lifting care eye cream. I got the 3 types, where each one of them has its own like specification. For the purple one, this is with retinol vital, pyramid, and retinol. The next one is lifting care eye cream. This is the pink one. And the last one is the brightening eye cream. So the reason that I got all of them is because I couldn't decide which one to choose. Saw the reviews about them, and there was so much good reviews about each one of them, and like many girls said that they try each one of them and they try like few of them and they really works good. So I couldn't just choose only one, I choose 3 of them. There is another one, which is the blue one, that I couldn't afford to buy like 4, like this was too much for me. So maybe we will try it next time or not. So before we try it, I just have to mention another something, that this product is a sponsored product, which means that I got it for free. I pay only shipping for this because I am a yesstyle influencer, or called yesstyle, I guess yesstyle sponsored, and you can do it also. I will add my link in this video, so you can use my link and you can get with it extra 10% off, and you can register as influencer and get a free product every month, which is very nice. This time I got this cleanser. We're gonna try it now. I never tried a cleanser like this before. I used to use like micellar water to remove my makeup, and after that wash my face, and that's it. But this thing is new, and I must say that I'm excited to try it, and I got it for free. That it's very nice. So right now I got some water on my hands. I hope. Oh, this is closed, which is nice. It says something. It says, do not touch the eyes. I'm gonna add some more water and we're gonna try it. So it seems to be like a regular face soap. Let's see now. Yeah, I think that it works. It says also that it removes impurities, which is very nice, and I feel it on my face. So cool. I think it removed very well my makeup. See you soon. So I'm back after I wash my face, and it seems nice. I guess that I will have to use it a few times to decide, but it does the job. It removes almost everything. except down the eyes area, which I didn't clean. Well, if you like this video, please engage, share, and follow or subscribe for more videos like this. And of course, stay tuned for the next video where I'll be trying all of this stuff. See you soon.